Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to duet videos on TikTok. If you want to learn more about it, please watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel 1-2-Step, do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more of the how to TikTok videos that we're going to do. So let's get started now. So first you open TikTok and then you go to your For You page. So let's say you want to create a duet with this video. So first thing you will do is click on the arrow button over here on the bottom right. And now over here you will see the option of duet. You'll click on the duet option. After the video is processed, now you will be able to see different layouts you can do. So now just record the video. So now you've recorded the video and you click on next and you can now post the video, and the creator will be notified that you did a duet with them. And that is how you create a duet on TikTok. And it's very simple. It is very easy. You can post this video and you'll be done. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.